Whose hairline is it anyway?
Stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be trying Bonb XL glue. I got this from Amazon. It took like 2 days. Don't mind the ring light in the back. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, so it's really dark. Just act like the ring light's not there. Let's just zoom in. I've already got my stocking cap on. So I've got some used Amazon Bed Bath & Beyond cards that I guess I'm gonna use. I also have a rat tail comb, and what I'm gonna do first, we're just gonna start off by combing the hair back, and I'm only brushing it back because I've seen plenty of tutorials on this product and they said that, yeah, it's just really sticky. So what we're gonna do now is kind of see where we're gonna put it. We're about to have to transform this wig, and hopefully this Bonb glue XL works. I'm only gonna go on with 1 layer. This actually does not come with instructions. I've seen plenty of videos. Some girls have done 4 layers. Some girls have done 1 layer. Some girls have done 2 layers. So I'm probably gonna just go on with 1 layer because my birthday's coming up and I really don't wanna wear my hair like this. Dot this glue. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do. I'm so excited. But I'm gonna just dot this glue like all around my hairline. I'm gonna just go on with a little more because I feel like oh, it's very tacky. It's already getting tacky, y'all. I could go on with like another layer. I normally put on my whole wig at a time. Like once you put her on, oh my God, she's really on there. Give me a second so I can get my forehead together. All right, guys, she's not coming off, so let's just tack her on. My forehead, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do to give ourselves forehead because right now she is gone. I'm very much so thinking of dyeing this hair. I want to go like ash blonde or something. Whoa, this side is just completely up. Like, what happened? This left side over here was not fucking with me. Okay, so we're gonna just chill with our scarf like this for now. I'm gonna be back. I don't have any alcohol, but I will use some witch hazel to clean my hairline. But I did like how tacky it got. Like typically when I use Got2b glue products, I like to put on my whole wig at a time, and when I put it down and then let's say I like try to go to put this side down, this side would come all the way up. That's what Got2b glue. But with this one, it really held down. So that's kind of, it's not kind of, but it's pretty cool. We're gonna see how long it lasts for. I didn't do the recommended 4 dosage. I just really did like 1.5. So I don't know how it's gonna last. But so far I'm kind of impressed. I talk big shit. Like I'm never gonna use this, I'm never gonna do that, but I tried it. So we're gonna see how it's gonna work out. Do think that I wanna dye this hair. Think I wanna go for like an ash blonde or something like that from black. Let me know if you guys wanna see that. Give this video a big old thumbs up. But yeah, I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I gotta go take the macaroni out. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's only been a few minutes. I need to locate tweezers. There's actually no residue on my face. That's kind of cool. Got2b glue, you typically have a bit of residue. I do need to get a hot comb. We're gonna start parting it just so we can get in the side first. I don't know if this was because I didn't go on with 2 layers because you know people normally go on with 4 layers and I only went on with like 1.5. But you guys, this side over here, I had to reapply it just like I had to reapply this side on the camera. But now we're going to slick our baby hairs down. This step is definitely optional. So I'm back with an update on the Bonb glue, guys. It's actually the 2nd day. Just got off of work. I honestly really enjoy the Bonb glue. Like my hair is not, well, you guys saw that I had to reapply it a few times. Gaps in the car. But you guys saw I had to reapply it a few times well, just once, because I only used it once and they recommend that you put it on 4 times. But I would actually use this again only for units that I actually want to wear for a long time. Like if it's a synthetic wig or something, I'll probably stick with the Got2b glue. Or if I don't want to have this on my face for a week or 2, then I wouldn't go for this because it's really on there and I feel really secure. So if I was going to the pool, going to vacation in some humidity, then I would use this because it's really secure. So I just wanted you guys to see there is no residue. My hairline looks fire. Y'all know I put it all the way down on my forehead, but it looks really, really good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys tried it or if you have anything else you want me to try, let me know. And yeah, gotta go. Bye.